Property owners, managers, agents, and adjusters know your professional reputation hinges on your ability to respond swiftly and effectively when disaster strikes. You need a reliable, trusted disaster response company to represent you. Whether you're facing damage from a flood, fire, severe weather, or mold, Restoration Affiliates' network of leading independent restoration companies will be there to make your property whole again. You need capable workers on site in those first critical hours and days after a loss to get your recovery started. Restoration Affiliates partners have reliable, trustworthy, and experienced disaster response professionals who are local to your area. They will respond quickly when service is requested through our 800 number, which is staffed 24 hours a day, 7 days per week, 365 days per year. In an emergency, you can't afford to wait for loss estimates and other critical information. Restoration Affiliates will quickly connect you with local disaster response and restoration experts and keep you informed throughout the restoration process so that you can recover fast and minimize your losses. We provide mitigation, restoration, remediation, and reconstruction services for properties in a wide range of industries, while helping our customers minimize recovery costs and downtime. Restoration Affiliates partners are thoroughly screened, properly licensed and insured, and capable of handling even the most complex loss. These experts are invested in your region because it's their home too, so they'll be around long after the work is done. National coverage, local expertise. When Restoration Affiliates is your disaster response provider, you are sending the message to your clients that you care as much as they do about protecting their investment.